Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads, some ring beads, and a large size bead. I have these on my shop, but you can substitute whatever you have on hand. I have a few feet of string here with a needle attached, but this is optional, and I have a pair of scissors. So to start this, you're going to add one pony bead, okay, so one pony bead, one ring, one center bead, another ring, and a pony bead. And those are all pink. Next color is orange. Yellow. We're going to do green. Blue. And our last color, purple. Okay, we have all our colors on. We're going to take our ends together and tie it. Okay, we're going to go through this pony bead and this ring bead. And we're going to add three purple pony beads, and you're going to go through all of these beads here. Blue, we have three pony beads, and you're going to go through this ring, all four of these beads here. Okay, our last color is pink. And we're going to go through all of these beads here to get to the middle purple. Okay, we're starting with purple, so we're going to add a pony bead, a ball, a ring, and this color over here, blue, so a blue and a pony bead. That's going to be our pattern for on top. And we're going to go through this middle blue. Okay, so we're coming out of the middle purple, and then we went through the middle blue. Start on blue. And then the next color is green. So we have a pony bead, ball, ring, ball, pony bead. And we're going to go through the middle green. Okay, our next one. Green, and we have yellow. And we're going to go through the middle yellow. Move yellow and orange. We're going to go through the middle orange. And you might have to keep tightening this along the way because these larger beads are a little heavy. We have orange and pink. We're going to go through that middle pink. And our last one here, we have pink. And purple. Okay. We're going to go through these two right here, the middle and this one, and we're going to come back down through these 3 beads just to get to the string so we can tie them together. Okay, now this is what it looks like. Oh, I think this is fun. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time.